If you find yourself unable to access your Netflix account, follow these steps to regain ownership quickly and easily. Step 1. Visit the Netflix login page. Go to the official Netflix website and click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Netflix account. Make sure it is the correct one, as this is where Netflix will send the password reset link. Step 4. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for an email from Netflix with the subject line related to password reset. Click on the link provided in the email to create a new password. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the prompts to create a new password for your account. Make sure it is strong and secure. Once you have set your new password, return to the login page and sign in with your updated credentials. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Netflix account without any hassle. If you continue to experience issues, consider reaching out to Netflix customer support for further assistance.